Hey, what's up? I'm gonna show you a few drills that you can do with the pancake glove. Coming through it, the first drill that you're gonna see is straight on, and then back step, and then backhand, glove side and backhand. And you're gonna see me popping the ball off of the glove and catching it on both ways. This is not to practice flipping the ball out of your glove in the game. What it's practicing is having a good glove angle when the ball hits and having soft hands, have a little receiving with it. You want that ball just to pop up a little bit so you can catch that. Same thing here, being soft with it and have a good catch, okay? Then we've got a few where we're coming through the ball, staying low, walking through it forward, walking through it backwards, fielding it, and then also coming forward, getting through the ball, getting around it, and under control going back.
All right, here we go.